Good morning, children and their parents also. Today is Friday and it's 28th August 2020. We are all gathered together here for our online lesson. So, I welcome all of you. Today, we are gathered here in the morning, and in the morning, we feel so happy and so fresh because in the morning, air is so cool and fresh. So we also feel fresh. You are all looking so fresh and nice. Who gave us this fresh morning? God. God gave us this lovely bird and beautiful morning, fresh air, charming birds. So we must say thank to our God. But how can we say thank you to God? Simple, by singing a small prayer. So we will sing a prayer, small but sweet. Okay, are you ready for this prayer? So sit properly, sit straight, join your hands and keep your mic mute. I will sing the prayer. I will sing a small but sweet prayer. Okay. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for everything. So, like this, small prayers, we can praise the God and make our day more pleasant and happy. Today, our subject is English and we will learn some new words and then we will have so much fun also. So get ready for that. Okay, all of you ready? Now, look at me. I am showing you some objects. Tell me what it is. Look, what is this in my hand? Seva. Seva, unmute yourself and tell me what is this, Seva?
Box.
Box. Very good. After answering, your mic mute. Okay, mute yourself. This is a box. And one more thing I have. Look, what is this? Seva, tell me what is this?
Mobile.
Mobile. Very good. Now look at me. Seva, mic, mute your mic. Now I am putting this mobile here. Now can you tell me where is the mobile? Where is the mobile? Mobile is on the box. Mobile is on the box. This is box and this is mobile. Mobile is on the box. Now look at me very carefully what I am doing now. Where is the mobile now? Now where is the mobile? This is the box and this mobile is here. Now mobile is under the box. Mobile is under the box. Mobile is on the box. Mobile is under the box. Now, in this, my hand, mobile, and in this hand, this is a box. Now, tell me, where is the mobile? Now, they are near. Mobile and box are near each other. So, mobile is near the box. Listen carefully. Near. Near means, who will tell me near means what? Swanandi, can you tell me near means?
बाजूला.
Very good. बाजूला किंवा जवळ. जवळ सुद्धा आपण म्हणू शकतो. नियर म्हणजे जवळ. ऑन. ऑन म्हणजे काय समजलं स्वानंदी?
वरती.
बरोबर बरोबर. वर कुठल्याही वस्तूच्या पृष्ठभागावर सरफेसवर आपण ठेवलेली वस्तूला आपण म्हणूया ऑन. अँड अंडर मीन्स
खाली.
खाली. व्हेरी गुड.
मॅडम,
येस.
आम्ही जाऊ का? मोबाईल शिकव.
दुसऱ्या शाळेची मुलं आहेत ही. ऑन, अंडर अँड the new words they are on, under and near. Look at this word. On. Which is this word?
वर.
On means
वर.
word. On means word. Under.
अंडर.
Word is under. Under means
खाली.
khali.
खाली.
Khali. And this word is near.
नियर.
Near means
नियर. बाजूला किंवा जवळ.
word. Very good. These three words we have learned today. Okay. Now using these words we will talk afterwards. But clear our concept very good. I will show you some pictures. Okay. Watch it carefully. Okay. Swanandi, can you tell me what is there? What is there in the picture? Swanandi, tell me what can you see in the picture? Swanandi, door. There is a door. And one more thing is there also. What is this?
पेन.
Pen. There is a door and a pen. Where is the pen? Where is the pen? Pen is near the door.
the door.
Very good. The pen is near the door. Near the door means दरवाजाच्या बाजूला आहे. Okay. See, in this picture, there is a chair and a bag also there. The bag is near the chair. The bag is near the chair. Okay. The bag is near the chair. In this picture, there is a box and an apple is there. Where is the apple? Where is the apple? Seva, can you tell me? Where is the apple?
Near the box.
Very good. Near the box. Now Jia will answer me. Jia, tell me, where is the bag in this picture? Jia, come on. Jia, where is the bag? Where is the bag? Swara, tell me, where is the bag? Under? No. Bag is not under the chair. Look at the picture carefully. The bag is near the chair. बाजूला आहे की नाही खुर्चीच्या? Near the chair. Bag is near the chair. Now in this picture, there is a dog. Dog is sitting near the chair. Near सगळे बाजूला आहेत बघा, जवळ. नियर या शब्दाचा अर्थ आपल्याला समजलाय, जवळ. ओके. Now in this picture the dog is sitting under the chair. Under the chair. Where is the dog? Dog is under the chair. Where is the dog? Dog is under the
Dog is under the chair.
Very good. Now who is under the chair in this picture? Who is there? Dog is there? Is it a dog? No, it is a
Cat.
cat. Very good, very good. The cat is under the chair.
Yeah.
Now, in this picture, there is a pen, there is a pencil and a book. Pen is near the book, but can you tell me where is the pencil? Where is the pencil? Pencil? That pencil. Where is the pencil? Pencil is under the book. The pencil is under the
Book.
under the book. Okay. Now, in this picture, what is this in the picture? Who will tell me? Akanksha? Akanksha, are you there? Akanksha, can you see this picture? Unmute yourself and answer. Akanksha? Aradhya Nikam? Aradhya Nikam? What is there in the picture? You can tell me in Marathi.
School, sir.
Hmm?
School.
School. There is a school. Very good. There is a school. And what can you see more? School is there and
Ground.
ground. Very good. Playground is there. And some children are playing. Where are the children playing? Where?
Games.
On the playground. On the playground. Now focus at the word on. On means where. The children are playing on the playground. मैदानावर खेळतात की नाही? On the playground.
Playground.
Okay, on. Now in this picture, there is a book and a pen. Notebook and pen. Where is the pen now?
On the book.
Book. Very good. Pen is on the book. Now look at this dog. He is sitting like a king. Where is the dog sitting?
On the chair.
On the chair. On the chair. Oh, yes, yes. Huh? And an apple.
On the box. The apple is on the box. Apple
Is on the. Now there is a ball. There is a ball. Box. There is ball on the.
The ball is box. The ball is on the box.
Very good, very good. Now, in this picture, there is a round table and cat is there, dog is also there, and one more thing
Ball is
also there. Oh, yes.
off.
Where is the cat? Yes, Riya, come on, Riya. Yes, say. Where is the cat? Come on, Riya, answer me. Where is the cat? The cat is on the table and the dog
Is on,
yes
on the table.
on the table and cat is near the table. Cat, sorry, dog is near the table. Cat is on the table. Dog is near the table And the plant is also on the table. Plant is on the
Cat is table on.
very good. Now in our book, in our textbook,
On.
in our textbook, in our textbook, English textbook, there is me. Madam, आवाज येतोय माझा? Yes. Yes. The pen is door. Now look at the pen. Look at the pen. In this picture,
Pen is near the
door. These pictures are from our textbook, page number 27. We are finding the pen. Where is the pen? Then the pen is under the hand. There is a pen under the hand.
pen
Pen
near
is
the ground.
down. The
Pen is near the playground.
table. In this picture, pen is near the table and the pen is under the chair. Under. Pen is under the bench. Okay. In our textbook, the pen is near the door, under the chair, near the table. How to speak in English using these words under the mat, on the playground. We are using these words while speaking. Okay. So how can we speak in English? Do you want to know how can we speak in English?
बाहेर मला थोडी थोडी येते.
Yes. थोडी थोडी येते की नाही? मग आपण अजून प्रॅक्टिस करूया.
मला पण यायला पण माहित.
ओके. आता तुम्ही बोलायचं नाही मध्ये. आता आपण स्पीकिंग साठी तयारी करूया अगोदर. इंग्लिश बोलायचं आपल्याला. त्यासाठी आपण थोडीशी तयारी करूया. काय करूया आपण? तर आपल्या टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये जे काही डायलॉग्स आहेत की नाही, ते डायलॉग्स आपण आधी पहिल्यांदा वाचूया. ते वाचल्याच्या नंतर आपला सराव होईल आणि मग ते डायलॉग्स आपण कसे बोलायचे त्याचा आपण मग प्रॅक्टिकल करूया. ओके. पुढे टेक्स्टबुक उघडायची गरज नाही, माझ्याकडे आहे ते चार्ट. दिसते तुम्हाला?
हो.
Yes. Now we will read. Look at your screen only. There is Aman and Beena talking to each other. In this chart, the dialogues are between Aman and Beena. So we will first read this, then we will try to speak. Okay. Aman is saying, I found this pen near the door. Is it yours? Aman is saying, I found this pen near the door. Is it yours? Beena, what Beena says? Yes, it is mine. Thank you. Yes, it is mine. Thank you. But now we can change the place of the pen. Instead of near the door, we can use under the mat. Look, under the mat. Now Aman will say, I found this pen under the mat. Is it yours? Beena's dialogue is same. Yes, it is mine. Thank you. Now we can change this also. Now we will use these letters, these words. Okay. Under the chair. Now where is the pen? Aman found the pen under the chair. So he says, I found this pen under the chair. I found this pen under the chair. Is it yours? Is it yours? Listen carefully. Yes, Beena says, yes, it is mine. Thank you. Now, where was the pen? Where was the pen? Under the bench. Pen was under the bench also. So we can use these words also. I found this pen. Aman says, I found this pen under the bench. Is it yours? Bina says, yes, it is mine. Thank you. All the situations we will use in our conversation. Now, Penny is on the playground. Shreya, can you see? On the playground. Aman says, I found this pen on the playground. Is it yours? Bina's dialogue is same. Yes, it is mine. Thank you. Now, this conversation, we will try to speak. Are you ready for that? To speak this?
Yes.
But what should you do? First of all, you listen carefully, then repeat after me and then enact. Enact means what? Enact means what to do. You have to play the role. You have to play the role. One child will play Aman's role and other will be Bina. I'll make your pairs. Then you will speak in English. So let's start. Let's speak. Okay. Swara and Jia. Swara, sit properly. Swara. Yes. And Jia. Jia, are you ready? Jia?
Yes.
Yes. Now, Jia, listen carefully. You are Aman now. You will play the role of Aman, and Swara, you will play role of Veena. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
You are Veena now. And Jia, you are Aman. Okay?
Hmm.
Let's start. I'll tell you the dialogues. You listen carefully. Don't talk. Don't talk now. Shreya, please, Shreya. Keep your mic mute. तुझी पाळी येईल तेव्हा बोलायचं श्रेया. आता मी तुला नाही सांगत आहे. मी स्वराला सांगते आणि जियाला सांगते. हा स्वर तू तोपर्यंत शांत राहायचं ऐकायचं आहे. Now Jia, you are Aman now. So repeat after me. I found this pen
This pen
near the door.
near the door.
Is it yours?
Is it yours?
Now Bina will say, Bina, who is Bina? Swara, you are Bina, no? Repeat after me. Yes, it is mine. Swara, come on.
It is mine.
Action, do action. Swara, act,
Yes.
act. Yes, it is mine.
Yes. It's mine.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Like this, you will act. Yes. Now, we will, Jia, same. You both are now enacting. We will change the situation. Okay. Now, the pen is near the door. We will use pen is under the bench. Pen is under the bench. Jia and Swara again. Then I will give chance to other child also. Okay. Now
And
Swara become Swara. Listen carefully, Swara. Now you are Aman. And Jia is now Bina. Okay. After me, I found this pen.
I found this pen.
You have pen? You have pen? आहे पेन तुझ्याकडे आता? आहे का? असेल तर घे आता. Yes. Now show. I found this pen.
I found this pen
Under the bench.
under the bench.
Is it yours?
Is it yours?
Ask the question. Is it yours?
Is it yours?
Jia? Jia, now your turn. Yes, it is mine.
Yes, it is mine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Very good, Swara and Jia. Now Shreya. Shreya? Let's Shreya and who is there? Swanandi. Swanandi, are you there, Swanandi? Swanandi?
Bye bye.
Yes, now
Bye bye.
okay, now you and Shreya will act. Swanandi and Shreya. Shreya, look at me, Shreya. Now you are Aman. You are Aman and
What?
Swanandi is Beena. Swanandi is Beena. Now, Shreya, repeat after me. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I found this pen. Take a pen in your hand. Take pen. Huh? Shreya? Don't worry. Say after me. I found this pen. Shreya, come on. I found this pen.
10.
Under the mat. Say,
Under 10.
is it yours? Is it yours? Bol Shreya, is it yours? Come on, Shreya. Swanandi. Yes. Swanandi. Swanandi, you are Beena. Say, yes.
It is mine. Thank you.
You are very smart, Swanandi. Yes, it is mine. Mine म्हणजे काय? माझं. Yours म्हणजे काय? तुझं. Is it yours? Is it yours? तुझं आहे का हे? असं विचारलं जाते. तेव्हा आपण म्हणतो येस, इट इज माइन. थँक्यू. आपल्याला शोधून दिल्याबद्दल आपण त्याला थँक्यू म्हणतो की नाही? पण आता मला सांगा, बट समटाइम्स when Aman asks you, I found this pen under the mat. Is it yours? But the pen is not mine. So what can we say now? Pen is not yours. Then what will you say? What will you say? The pen is not yours.
That's what to say.
No. We will read these dialogues now. The pen is not mine. So what can I say? When pen is not, जो पेन माझा नाहीये, ती वस्तू माझी नाहीये, तर मी काय म्हणणार आहे? ते सुद्धा आपल्याला बोलायला आलं पाहिजे की नाही? मग ते पण आपण पहिल्यांदा वाचूया. तुम्हाला दिसतोय चार्ट व्यवस्थित?
Yes. Oh, bye.
There are but there are now not Aman and Jia. Aman and Beena is not there. There are Riya and Sam. Now the children are changed. Okay, Riya and Sam is there. Now Riya found a pen. Riya found a pen, and she is asking to Sam, "Is it yours?" Say, okay, look. I found this pen under the bench. I found this pen under the bench. Is it yours? Riya is asking to Sam, is it yours? Sam, the pen was not Sam's. So Sam was saying, Sam is saying no. No, it's not. No, it's not. माझा नाही तो. मग रियाला प्रश्न आहे ना, whose is it then? Do you know? कोणाचं बरं आहे मग तो? तुला माहित आहे का? सॅम काय म्हणतो? I think it belongs to Juhi. Belongs म्हणजे कुणाचं असेल? मला असं वाटतं की ते जुईचं असावं. बघा आता हा जो संवाद आहे, हे जे डायलॉग्स आहेत ते आपल्याला बोलायचे. तिथे पेन त्याचं नाहीये म्हणून तो काय सांगतो की माझं नाही. मग कोणाचं बरं असेल असं रिया विचारते, तेव्हा तो काय म्हणतो की मला असं वाटतं की ते जुईचं असावं. आता हे डायलॉग आपल्याला बोलूया आपण. ओके, सेवा सेवा आराध्या. रिकम आहे तिथे? आराध्या,
Yes.
आराध्या आहेस का?
Oh, bye.
आराध्या अँड सेवा. बाकी त्यांची माहिती म्यूट राहू दे. आराध्या आणि सेवा, ओनली आराध्या अँड सेवा विल अनम्यूट देअर माइक्स. ओके, आराध्या, You play role of Riya. Now Aradhya will play the role of Riya and Seva will play the role of Sam. Seva is now a Sam. Okay. Now Aradhya, carefully and repeat after me. I found this pen. Aradhya, under the bench.
Under the bench.
Is it yours?
Here.
Sam. Seva is Sam now. No, Seva. Say, no, it's not.
No, it's not.
Riya. Now just, whose is it then?
Is it then?
Whose is it then?
Whose is it then?
Do you know?
Do you know?
Sam. Sam means Seva. I think, Seva, come on.
I think
It belongs to Jui.
it belongs to Jui.
Very good. It belongs to Jui. Huh? In this conversation, in these dialogues also, we can change the situation. We can change the situation of pen. This pen is now under the bench. We put the pen near the table and speak the same dialogue near the table. Now, change the role. Seva will now become Riya and Aradhya will become Sam. उलट करूया आपण. Okay. Now Seva is Riya, no? So Riya's dialogue will speak Seva. I found this pen. Seva.
I found this pen
Under the
near the table.
table. Near the table. Seva,
Is still yours?
yes. Aradhya say, no, it's not. No, it's not. Come on, Aradhya. No, it's not. Whose is it then? Seva, ask him. Sam is speaking.
Whose is them?
Whose is it then?
Whose it is them?
Do you know?
Do you know?
Now, Sam will say, I think. Who is Sam now? I think it belongs to Jui. Bol Seva.
I think it belongs to Jui.
Very good. Like this, we can speak in English. Now here, in this dialogue, there is a pen. But we can change pen also. In our classroom, we found many things. Sharpener, eraser, pencil, earrings also. Sometimes we found earrings also. And what things you found in the classroom? Stone. Some children bring stone also like this. Stone. So we can ask them, what is this? कोणीतरी आणलेलं असतं की नाही आपण विचारतो ना कोणाचं आहे रे बरं. वेगवेगळ्या वस्तू आपण वर्गामध्ये सापडतात आणि त्यासाठी आपण ते वापरतो शब्द. हे डायलॉग आपण वापरू शकतो. व्हॉट इज दिस? कॅन यू सी? व्हॉट इज दिस? Swara? What is this? What is this, Swara? Gayatri, can you tell me what is this?
Stone.
Stone? Is this a stone?
One.
Jia, can you tell me what is this?
Ball.
Jia, tell me what is this?
Coat.
Yes, write it. Right. What is this?
Koti.
Barobar. but in English,
यहाँ पे अभी नहीं आएगा ना.
this is a marble. Marble. In English, we call it marble. A marble. A marble. What is this? What is this? A clip. Hair clip. We use it to bind our hair. Clip. Say, it is a clip.
चिमटा.
चिमटा. Clip. चालेल चिमटा. What is this?
कानातले.
कानातले. बरोबर. याला काय म्हणतात? And earring. And earring. ला and earring. एकच आहे ना. दोन असतील तर मी म्हणणार आहे इयरिंग्स. पण हे एकच आहे सिंगल. सो आय एम सेइंग अँड इयरिंग. तर अशा वस्तू सुद्धा आपल्याला वर्गामध्ये सापडतात. मग आपण त्या आपल्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना विचारतो, इज दिस योर्स? इज दिस योर्स? इफ इट इज ours, so I will say, if it is mine, so I will say yes, it is mine. But if it is not mine, then I will say no, it's not. No, it's not. Now look at this chart. We will read this chart also. Swara, look at this chart. In our English textbook on page number 27, these all dialogues are there and you have to practice them. All of you practice them very, very neatly and speak. No, don't take now textbook. Don't open textbook now. Look at the screen here. Look at the screen, Swara. Swara, don't open your book now. We will read from here. We will read from here. You can see this chart now. So we will read. Om. There is Om. Om is saying, what's this? Repeat after me. What's this, Swara? Repeat after me. Om. Om is saying, what's this? Unmute yourself. Your mic is muted, no? So unmute yourself. चालू कर तुझा mic. Now say, what's this?
What this?
Ira. It's a sharpener. It's a sharpener.
It's a sharpener.
Sharpener. Sharpener. It's a sharpener.
It's a sharpener.
Oh. Now let me say, whose sharpener is it?
Whose sharpener is it?
Whose म्हणजे कुणाचं? Whose म्हणजे काय? कोणाचं. कोणाचं. Whose लक्षात ठेवायचं. Whose म्हणजे कोणाचं. आता आपण प्रश्न विचारताना whose सारखं वापरतोय की नाही? तर whose म्हणजे कुणाचं. Whose sharpener is it? Shreya, can you repeat after me? Shreya, repeat after me. All of you repeat after me, but keep your mic muted. Only Shreya will unmute herself. Whose sharpener is it? Shreya, repeat after me. Whose sharpener is it?
Shreya.
Shreya? Gayatri. Now Gayatri, your turn. Gayatri, repeat after me. All of you repeat after me, but you keep your mouth put. Only the child, she will unmute herself. Gayatri. Gira. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Whose sharpener is it? I don't know. मला माहित नाही. I don't know means मला माहित नाही. मला माहित नाही. Ask Jia. आस्क जिया, जियाला विचार. आता ही जिया आपल्यावर नाही का? ती जिया नाही, ती क्लास जी आहे इथल्या.
दोघं पण दिसलेले
ओम. आता ओम जियाला विचारणार. ओम, जिया, हुज शार्पनर इज इट? ओम आहे ना, जियाला विचारतो, हुज शार्पनर इज इट? जिया सेज, I think it's Juice. I think it's Juice. Then Om goes to Jui and asks, Jui, is this yours? Is this? इंग्लिशचे जे डायलॉग्स आहेत आपल्याला ते आधी आपण सारखे सारखे पुस्तकातले वाचायचे आहेत आणि त्याच्यानंतर आपण ते वाचून वाचून लक्षात ठेवायचे आणि मग आपल्याला ते बोलायला शिकायचं आहे. आता इथे बघा, नाव इन दिस कन्व्हर्सेशन देयर इज अ शार्पनर. वी कॅन रिप्लेस द शार्पनर अँड यूज अदर वर्ड. नाव दिस इज an eraser. Eraser means what? Eraser म्हणजे काय सांगू शकाल मला? इरेझर म्हणजे काय रे? तुम्हाला माहिती काय केलं बघा? बरं, सगळ्यांनी एकदम नाही बोलायचं बाबांनो, सगळ्यांनी नाही बोलायचं. आपण एकेकाने बोलतोय की नाही, एकेकांचे आवाज छान येतात म्हणून आपण एकट्याने बोलायचं. सगळ्यांनी बोलायला लागल्यावर गोंधळ वाटतो. आता हा जो इरेझर शब्द आहे की नाही, तो मी शार्पनरच्या इथे ठेवते. म्हणजे काय केलं आपण? इरेझरच्या ऐवजी शार्पनर शब्द वापरून हेच डायलॉग बोलायचे आपल्याला. आता कोणाला घेऊ मी बरं? कोण राहिलंय आपल्याकडे बोलायचं? आकांक्षा तर बोललीच नाही एकदा पण. आकांक्षा आहेस का तू? आकांक्षा, रिया, रिया आहे? रिया बोलायचं. रिया आणि अजून कोण राहिले का आपल्याकडे बोलायचं? त्याला पण घेऊया. बरं, रिया आणि जिया बोला. रिया आणि जिया. बरं, आता लक्ष द्या इकडे. रिया, ओमचे डायलॉग बोलायचे. यू विल प्ले द रोल ऑफ अमन अँड जिया यू प्ले रोल ऑफ इरा. इन दिस कन्व्हर्सेशन Om and Ira is there. Okay. So Riya, you are Om and Jia, your name is Ira. Okay. They are talking each other. Now Om. What's this? Riya, you're Om. What's this?
What?
Now Ira. It's a हो, मग चुकलं ना थोडस. ओके. इट्स an इरेझर. इट्स an इरेझर. बोलूया आपण. व्हॉट्स दिस? रिया. इट्स an इरेझर. आता बोला डायलॉग्स. फक्त डायलॉग्स बोलूया आपण, काय गरज नाही याची. इट्स an इरेझर.
It's an eraser.
Whose eraser is it? Om. Om बोलणार आहे. Whose eraser is Ira? I don't know. I don't know. Ask Jia. बोल जिया. Om. Jia. Whose eraser is it?
Jia. Whose eraser is
it? नाव जिया. आता जिया बोलणार आहे ना, आता आपण जियाला घेऊया. जिया कुठे बरं? तू जिया नाही, ओरिजिनल जिया नको. स्वानंदी, तू जियाचा रोल प्ले करणारा. स्वानंदी, तू जियाचा रोल प्ले करायचा आता. जिया, तू जिया नाहीस, कन्फ्युज नाही करायचं आपण. आता जिया, स्वानंदी जियाचा रोल प्ले करणार आहे. आता जिया येते आपल्या कन्व्हर्सेशन मध्ये. ओम ओमने विचारले ना जियाला, जिया which eraser is it? Now Jia is saying, I think it's Julie. I think
काय बाई?
हा, आता आपण परत बोलूया. आता माझ्याकडे 3 मुलं आहेत बरं का. 3 ते 4 मुलं पाहिजेत मला. ओम, इरा, जिया अँड जुई. बघा आता 4 मुलं कोण कोण हवेत मला. ओम पाहिजे, मला इरा पाहिजे आणि जिया अँड जुई. आता आपण रोल मी देते तुम्हाला, कोण कोण प्ले करणार रोल. रिया ओमचा रोल प्ले करतेच आहे सर. रिया यू आर ओम. जिया आहे ना, जिया इरा. स्वानंदी इज जिया अँड सेवा यू आर जुई. आपली आपली नावं लक्षात ठेवायच्या कोण कोण आहेत ते. आपल्याला रोल प्ले करायचा, आपण इनॅक्ट करतोय. इनॅक्ट म्हणजे रोल प्ले, नाटकातला रोल करतो आपण तसं. हा, रिया आपली बोलणार आहे ओमची डायलॉग. त्यानंतर इरा कोण बनलेली आहे? कोण आहे इरा बरं? इरा कोण आहे? कोण इरा आहे? जिया आहे. व्हेरी गुड. आणि जिया कोण बनले बरं? जिया कोणाचं नाव आहे आता? स्वानंदीचं. आणि जुई कोणाचं नाव आहे?
रिया.
सेवाचं. सेवा. आता ही 4 मुलं मला दिसणार स्क्रीनवरती. 4 जणांचे डायलॉग आपण आता बोलायचे आहेत. ओके. आता ओम पासून आपण स्टार्ट करूया. ओम, व्हॉट्स दिस? ओम बोल. व्हॉट्स दिस? रिया बोल. रिया व्हॉट्स दिस? रिया कुठली? व्हॉट्स दिस? मी बोलते ओम. जिया लक्ष द्यायचं. आता आय एम ओम नाव. आय एम प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ ओम. आय एम आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चन. व्हॉट्स दिस? व्हॉट्स दिस? हा, इरा.
Sharpener.
No, we are using eraser. It's an eraser. Both. It's an eraser. Whose eraser is it? Whose eraser is it?
I don't know.
No, I don't know. काय म्हणायचं तू? I don't know. Ask Jia.
Jia.
Okay, now I am going to Jia. Jia, whose eraser is it? Jia, whose eraser is it?
Think. It's J. G.
I think it's Juice. It's Juice. Okay, now I am going to Jui. Seva, now you are Jui, no? Jui, is this yours? Jui, is this yours?
Yes.
Jui said, yes, it is mine.
Mine. It is mine. Thank
Yes,
you.
it is mine. Thank you.
It is mine. Thank you.
बघा आता अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला इथे शार्पनर जागी इरेजर घेतला आपण. त्याच्यानंतर आपण काय घेणार आहोत? सगळ्या वस्तू ज्या आपल्याला मी दाखवले ना आता तुम्हाला. क्लिप. दिस इज अ क्लिप. आपण काय विचारणार? हुज क्लिप इज इट? जिथे जिथे शार्पनर शब्द आहे तिथे आपण फक्त एक क्लिप वापरणार. हुज क्लिप इज इट? आय डोंट नो. आस्क जिया. Jia, is this yours? Jia said no. It's Jui's. Then I will go to Jui. Jui, is this yours? It was Jui's. So Jui said yes, it's mine. Thank you. Okay. Now we will use a marble. We will use a marble. मार्बल. डायलॉग तर सेमच आहेत, फक्त आपण काय बदलतो आहे? वस्तू बदलतोय त्याच्यामधल्या, बरोबर आहे की नाही?
वस्तू बदलतोय.
हा, आपण वस्तू बदलतोय. मग आपण इथे काय बोलणार? हुज मार्बल इज दिस? प्रश्न विचारणार, व्हॉट दिस? दिस इज अ मार्बल. हुज मार्बल इट इज? I don't know. Ask Jia. Jia, is this yours? No. It's, I think it's Jui's. So we will ask Jui. Jui, is this yours? Jui said, yes, it is mine. Thank you. Now, this is a stone. This is a stone. Stone.
A stone.
This is the stone. What's this? What's
Stone.
this? Come on, what's this?
Stone.
This is the stone. बोलायचं आता. What's this? This
Stone.
is a stone. This is a stone. Whose stone is this? Whose stone is this? स्वरा, is it yours? आता आपण डायरेक्टली बोलतोय हा. आता रोल प्ले नाही करत आहे. आता डायरेक्टली मी विचारते, स्वरा, is it yours? स्वरा, tell me, is it yours?
This yours.
नको बोलू, तू आता मला सांग, तुझं आहे का हे? खरं बोलायचं आता आपण, म्हणजे आता आपण इनॅक्ट नाही करत. आता आपण डायरेक्टली बोलतो एकमेक. हा, मी तुझ्याशी बोलते आहे, मी तुला विचारते, हे तुझं आहे का? आहे का तुझं हे? नाही, तू काय बोलणार? नो, इट्स नॉट.
No. It's
इट्स
not.
नॉट. आस्क जिया. आस्क जिया. बोल तू, आस्क जिया.
Ask Jia.
Now Jia, is it yours? Jia, is it yours? Jia, बोल, is it yours? कुठे गेली जिया? Is it yours? बोल जिया. बोलायचं, is it yours?
Is it yours?
नाही नाही, तू बोलायचं आता. मी तुला प्रश्न विचारला ना. Is it yours? तुझा आहे का हे?
It's Jui's.
म्हण बरं, हे तुझं आहे. येस, इट्स माइन. म्हण बरं. येस, इट्स माइन. बोल बोल जिया, बोल. आता आपल्याला बोलायला आलं पाहिजे की नाही? येस, इट्स माइन. बोल.
Thank you. Yes.
थँक्यू. ओके, असं बोलायचं आपल्याला. बोलायला आलं पाहिजे की नाही सगळ्यांना?
बाई
आता
आपली
काय राहिलं आपल्याला? आता आपल्याला काय राहिलं? And earring. हा, बस. आता आपलं एक लास्ट आयटम राहिलाय ना. इयररिंग आपण बोललो नाही. व्हॉट्स दिस? अँड इयररिंग. अँड इयररिंग. आता बघा, तुम्हाला काय काय दाखवलंय, त्या सगळ्या वस्तूंचा वापर करून हे डायलॉग्स आपण बोलायची प्रॅक्टिस करायचंय. आपला होमवर्क काय आहे? लिहायचं आपल्याला काहीच नाहीये. आपल्याला बोलायची प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे. कारण आपला आजचा टॉपिक काय होता? लेट्स स्पीक. बोलायची आहे. हा, आता मी आपल्या पेज नंबर 27 वर, हा, इंग्लिश टेक्स्टबुक आहे ना आपलं, त्या टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये पेज नंबर 27 वरती आपल्याला हे डायलॉग्स आहे. बघा, हे आहे आपलं पेज नंबर 27 आणि याच्यावरती सगळे हे डायलॉग्स आहेत. बघा, हे अमन जिया, त्यानंतर हे मध्ये आहे ना, आपण हे सगळे डायलॉग्स आपण बोलून घेतलेले आहेत. आता तुमचं काम काय आहे? हा, तुम्ही हे सगळे डायलॉग्स जे आहेत ते प्रॅक्टिस करायचे, बोलायचं. हा, प्रॅक्टिस विथ युअर ब्रदर, सिस्टर, मदर, फादर, जे कोणी तुम्हाला भेटतील त्यांच्याबरोबर डायलॉगची प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे. And your friend also, but don't go outside of your house, because why should we not go outside of our house? कोण सांगेल मला बरं? because corona is there, so we will not go outside to meet our friends. We can practice these dialogues, the friends nearby you only. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Okay, हा तुमचा होमवर्क आहे. तुम्हाला समजलं सगळ्यांना? आणि याबरोबर आपला हा लेसन आता इथे संपलेला आहे. तुम्ही खूप छान प्रॅक्टिस करून मला नंतर चालेल.